Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study business management IB updated. Start by mapping your syllabus and ranking topics by exam weight, then set a weekly plan that balances theory, case studies, and past papers. Use short focus sessions, active recall with flashcards, and timed practice to build exam stamina. Take concise notes, convert concepts into visuals, and review errors to turn weaknesses into strengths with steady, measurable progress. In this video, I will explain how to study business management IB updated. Focus on active study, review a concept, practice exam questions, and immediately check against mark schemes to learn examiner expectations. Rotate subjects to prevent burnout and use spaced repetition for retention. Work in short bursts with focused goals, annotate case studies with evidence links, and simulate exam conditions weekly to track timing and accuracy while building confidence. In this video, I will explain how to study business management IB updated. Quick note, if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more study tips and keep your focus with short hydration breaks. On another note, the product seen here is the Owala water bottle, perfect for long study days to keep you sipping and energized. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to study business management IB updated. Train answer structure by stating a claim, applying theory to a case, and justifying with evidence or calculations. Prioritize command terms like analyze and evaluate and plan answers around them. Use peer review to spot gaps, practice quantitative parts under time pressure, and compile common pitfalls to avoid so your exam technique becomes efficient and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.